I have sat in meetings with business owners over the years and realized that most of them don't have an exit plan for their businesses. 6 out of 10 family-owned businesses in South Africa have no formal plan of how to exit or transfer the business. That's not because the owners don't care, it's because they're so busy running the business that this is not a high priority. Here's the part that actually matters. Owners who have a plan almost never start 3 to 6 months before they want to sell. They start at least 2 to 3 years before the time. So if you don't have a plan, you're welcome to contact me. There's 4 ways to exit your business that we can discuss. And yeah, if you come and plan here, I will send you a short plan from where you can start and build your exit plan. Thank you. Elmer Lombard, Aldes Blue Ocean.